I think I saw that out of the corner of my eye. That dude at the front desk was staring right at me. I might have some explaining to do when I get back to the second floor. Anyway, onwards. CU Boulder sure does love their Kone KSS 140s. It's funny, the other side had ThyssenKrupp. That's a pretty view of the mountains. That's a good shot right there. Yeah. Anyway, back down. There's a bull on the roof right there. Bull statue. Did I get my picture yet? I feel like I did, but in case I forgot.